have to go to my... Yeah, too, and I can bring it around anywhere. Whoa, see?
I never heard of that.
What's that? Oh, I never heard of that.
Well, it's a little TV that I could bring my PS2 around anywhere.
Wow.
You got...
That's Sean, Siobhan.
She knows. She said Sean, know what you got? Have Angel. Godzilla!
Sure. That's yours.
Batman!
Wow. Oh, I was wondering.
Wow, what are those big
Body
boxes
lift.
over there,
Dark
Siobhan?
Cloud!
Video now.
Angel!
Siobhan, what's that big box over there behind you? That has your name on it.
Treasure Planet!
Wow, Sean. You got a lot of games.
Why not go into yours? What's this?
That's a little computer for the GameCube.
Wow.
Portable, compact design.
Wow, Siobhan.
Xbox and that one.
That says Siobhan on it. But that's a lot of mud, though.
You have a door frame on?
No,
That's
Okay.
a little bit of pink.
What, Siobhan?
That's just a little bit of pink.
I think it's a big rock. What do you think?
It's a big rock.
Open up one of the presents, Siobhan.
You gotta open it. Move this little present over here.
I got the Game Boy.
Here's another present.
I got the Game Boy that connects to the thing. I got the thing that connects to the game.
Wow.
You can put your Game Boy play it to the GameCube.
What is that? Hey, that doesn't look like mud.
Oh my goodness!
That doesn't look like mud to me on a rock.
What
Hey.
is that?
Wow.
What is that?
Oh. Oh, Mom, I got Buzz Lightyear's rocket ship tank. Wow.
Wow, Sean. Wow. That's great. Buzz Lightyear rocket ship tent.
Oh, that needs batteries in it.
You always wanted that, Sean, remember?
Wow. Siobhan, now you can cook me some dinner. You can cook